A key goal that Dow has is to transform the waste. This means by 2030, we will deliver 3 million metric tons a year of circular and renewable solutions. How do we do this? We close the innovation loop. Dow is a well-known provider of high-performance materials into the market that use virgin feedstocks and that create high-performance resins. With that, we can develop packages that can be recyclable as we design for recyclability, and these packages or other Dow products can go into mechanical recycling or into advanced recycling, where they're broken down to the molecular level and come back into the system as a feedstock. We also can offer bio-based feedstocks into our systems. That allows us to lower the carbon footprint as well as increase the circularity and circular content in our products. So when you talk about how do you put recycled content in packaging, you first need a really strong PCR supply that needs to be clean, and that you need the technical capabilities to be able to process it, and then the application development so it can incorporate the recycled content and have the high performance that you need. Dow has a high-quality single pellet PCR family called REVOLOOP. This is based on collecting films from back-of-the-store retailing and store drop-off, and then they're sorted, they're cleaned, and then they're compounded with a high-performance resin with 70% PCR content that enables 30% carbon footprint reduction. And it goes into multiple non-food applications, like stretch wrap on pallets, collation shrink, protective packaging, so your bubble wrap and air pillows, as well as consumer trash liners. REVOLOOP brings the higher performance that you need in these applications while also incorporating recycled content.
Along the country's roadways, across the world's seas, and through the skies from there to here, the safe delivery of transported products is essential to the global economy, and Dow can help. Here at PAC Studios Freeport, customers across the transport logistics value chain are invited to experience what advanced knowledge, planning, and testing can achieve. Starting with film development, first plastic pellet is melted. Computer-aided design can influence end-user requirements because all plastic film is not created equal. Fabricated stretch wrap film strength and puncture resistance can be tested. The lab's Highlight Transportation Simulator includes an industry-standard wrapper, which can test film characteristics coming off the roll, view wrapping interaction with loading formats, checked wrap layer requirements, and more. The Transport Simulator subjects wrapped pallets to real-world load stability challenges against rapid acceleration and sudden stops and impacts. And tilt testing can further subject wrapped pallets to load stability questions often encountered in transit or warehouse operations. Powerful vibrations are also damaging to packages in transit. The Transportation Lab has a test for that too, with pallets up to 3,000 pounds applicable for testing. For testing individual package safety, the lab's Landsmont drop tester offers drop testing from variable heights. Tests may visually observe durability of packaging. Additional data can be generated using the lab's shock tester. This instrumented drop tester gives an output profile of forces of impact and vibrations on individual parcels. Excellent knowledge to have for e-commerce applications. Utilizing PAC Studios Transportation Lab assures industry-standard testing and so much more. With PAC Studios, blown and cast film lines are also available for running trials of the industrial films desired for these applications. If you haven't experienced PAC Studios Freeport and its North American Transportation Lab, it's a journey worth taking.